Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can check the old deleted messages on Instagram. For this, you're going to have to download your Instagram data. So head over to your app, tap onto your profile. Let's go ahead access settings. So tap three bar icon. Then under your account, tap on account center. Then here go for your permission and information. Now tap on export your information. You will be taken to an additional site. At this page here, tap on export. And likewise, if your Facebook is connected, you will see Facebook as well. But if you would like to only download the data or check the messages which you have deleted from Instagram, then tap on Instagram account itself. Now you can either save it to your export to your device or maybe external service. The easiest option is to export it to your device. So I'm going to tap on export to your device. Now here it says they will notify me at this email address, and you can also customize the information. For now, every information will be downloaded, but if you would like to simply download only your messages, you're going to have to only check the message. And from here, clear all these and only check messages. Then tap on save, and lastly tap on start export. Now for security purposes, you're going to have to type in your Instagram password last time, and after a couple days, your information will be downloaded and you will also get notified in your email address. Thank you for watching.